Hey, let me show you the best features of the Realme Buds Air 6. So first of all, one of the best features is actually the Realme Link application. Yes, we can connect this earbuds into this application for Android and iOS devices. And when you do this, first of all, we can actually find the noise control. Now I'm gonna input this earbuds inside my ears just to show you some features. And first of all, when we turn the noise cancellation, we can even find here the smart wind technology. So it actually reduces the noises from the wind, but also we can find 4 different noise cancellation levels. So we've got smart, or for example moderate, and you can easily switch between them. When you go for the transparency mode, we can for example enhance voices. So now when I'm gonna turn it on, I can hear voices around me much clearer. And also we can find here the wind technology. Now I'm gonna turn it off. There we go. And now I'm gonna just remove them from my ears. Now we can also find the LHDC audio codec. So this codec actually improves the sound quality of these earbuds. Once you actually turn it on, you will be able to hear the difference. Also, we can find here the dynamic bass. So if you really like bass music, it's recommended to turn it on for the 3, 4, or for example 5. And here we can also find the equalizer, but also we can create our own custom equalizer. So you can set low, medium, and the high frequencies to your own preferences. When you click here, you can even set the custom name for this and click on the right upper corner to save. You can actually create multiple custom presets, which is really useful. Next, we can find here the game mode. So the game mode is also called the low latency mode. It actually reduces the input lag. So for example, when you are playing games or when you are watching some videos on the YouTube and there's some delay between what you can hear and what you see, you have to turn on the game mode and it will actually reduce this problem. Also, we can find here the earbud fit test. It's also a very useful function because thanks to this, we'll be able to improve the noise cancellation and the sound effects if we wear proper ear tips. So just remember to change ear tips and perform this fit test to get the best sound effects and the noise cancellation experience. Right here we can also find the button settings, and this is actually all gestures that we can use. We can find actions for the left and the right earbud, and we've got double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold. And the sensors are located on the same place, so they are right here. There's small cutout inside, which actually allows us to locate this when you touch it with the finger. It's pretty easy to actually use these gestures. And also we can customize these gestures. So you can change them like you want to your own preferences, but also you can turn them off by selecting no. You can even wake the voice assistant with them by selecting one of the gesture. And when you go for the more options, we can find other options like the automatic play and the pause when we remove them from the ears, the automatic call answer, and even you can find your phone. So now when you do this, when you turn it on, and when the headset is connected to a phone, we have to press the left or the right earbud 4 times continuously to find our phone, and the phone will actually start ringing. What is it really useful that we are able to update firmware by going here, and each time the new firmware version is available, I will be able to click here and download new firmware. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.